Welcome back to Fishing with me, your old pal Dink. I'm going to check out and scout a spot on the Clinton River, and it's right near a skate park. So I'm gonna bring my skateboard. We are on the road, 22 minutes to the destination. I'll see you on the water. Okay, we have arrived. So the river's a ways down. There is a little pier right here. Water's looking pretty murky, but there's gotta be something in here. Huh? Did you? Nice, man. They're in here. Oh yeah. That's sweet. I like that. Guy said he caught a perch. Make a couple casts off of this lone pier. Second cast. Uh-oh. Snagged on somebody's line. Dang it. Let's go up here. Bet I can grab it with my net. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was hung up. I got it though. Used my net as a retrieving tool.
Yeah, that works sometimes.
Yeah, right? What'd you get the perch on?
A worm.
A worm? Nice. Yeah, I've never been here before. I was seeing if there's any bass or pike. Yeah, it's kind of high up right here.
Yeah.
Can you think it's walkable, like down that way by the bridge?
I mean, you walk in there.
Or I mean, you could like walk along the bank.
You walk down that way towards the bank, though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm gonna try. Okay, I switched to a green and white worm on the Texas rig. Feeling a little more confident. Let's take a walk. It's 11:06. It's pretty muddy, but it's not terrible. Trying to keep it mobile. Check out under this bridge here. Log. Try something out here. Let's see how this works. Like so. There's a fish. No way. He hammered it. Am I recording? Nice. Not skunked. First ever swim bait fish. Come on, buddy. It's a good fish. What is it? It's a little bass. It's a little bass. Yes, let's go. Let's go.
Fish.
Hey, thanks, man. Nice. Got him. All right. Not skunked. All right, not skunked. First ever Clinton River bass. Just fishing this swim bait. Just slow rolling it. It's a Strike King Rage Tail, and caught him right in the mouth. Love it, dude. Gotta love that. All right, let's get him unhooked here. This little Clinton River bass. This fish is cold, man. He just came out and took it. Put him back in. See you, buddy. Yes. All right. Plan worked. Plan freaking worked. That was way cool. Let's see if there's any more in that same spot. Because it is fall and they should be schooling up. That was so cool. Dude, yes. There's a log like right under that bridge right there, and that's where that fish took it. A couple more casts here, then I'm gonna move. All right, scooting along. A little ways. That was stupid. Okay. Make a couple more casts here. I have to hang myself up. Okay. I'm gonna try not to stay in one spot for too long. Well, this looks pretty money right here. I'm going to attempt to climb over this tree here. See if I can get over this without falling in the water here. Oof, this is kind of treacherous. Well, I can go this way. If I just go up this tree. Okay. Looks like I could hike this all the way around. I just don't think any of these fish are going to be this shallow. This is a crazy spot. Looks like there's a drop off right here. We're at a fork now. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna try and hike the way I came in. Doesn't seem too bad going this way. The other way seemed kind of nightmarish. If I could just kind of use my rod as a guide. That's how skinny it is when I'm standing on. Nice. Not over yet. Nice. Okay. Let's keep moving. Well, to me that was pretty exciting. Caught one on a new technique. Caught one at a new place. I'm gonna keep fishing around, but as far as I'm concerned, that was a successful just morning on a whim trip to a new location. Okay, we are going under the bridge. Let's not break our ankle before work. That would suck. How is there nothing under this bridge? I don't understand. Unless nothing wants this. Well, all said and done, this has been worth it. Because I will come back here. This is a really cool spot. Wasn't a waste of time because I caught a fish, and I caught a fish on a technique that is unfamiliar to me. So, gotta love it. Now I just gotta get out of here without breaking my ankle. And let's go skate this little skate park over here. See how it is. So there's the river, and there's the skate park. Gotta love it. Skate park's kind of ratchet. right, let's got a little more time to fish. Just gonna set a 20-minute timer. And I'm gonna bring a swim jig. Okay, so I couldn't leave without crossing this bridge and seeing what's on this other side. It looks super promising, but I'm not even sure that I can get down here. We're just gonna try, and if not, no harm, no foul. Then I gotta get out of here and go to work. All right, how high is this? Oof, it's kind of high up. I can get down, but can I get back up? I think so. Let's give it a shot. All right, made it down. See how we like that. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let this craw fall down this wall a little bit. A couple more casts. Okay, we gotta get out of here. There's a fish. No way. What did I get? Rock bass? Dude, that's a pretty decent rock bass. Sick. Nice. He's cold. Decent rock bass. All right, what a way to end it. Decent little rock bass. I was just dragging the jig along that little piece of the bridge right there and caught this guy. Cool looking fish. I'm gonna get a little release on him. Not waste this precious moment here, but nice fish. See you later, buddy. Yes. All right, I'm gonna make like one more cast and then I'll get out of here. All right, totally worth it coming over to this spot. This will be my official last cast. I have a feeling there's a bunch of fish right here. He fell for the black trailer on the green pumpkin jig. Oh, I think I'm hung up. Yeah, that ain't coming out. Oh, dang. Okay, whatever. Time to go. It's gonna be kind of crazy getting up here. Oh no, it's not. Got these like little rungs that I could stand on. Alright. Sweet. Oh, that was freaking awesome. So not a ton of fish. So we got to fish the Clinton River before work, and I actually did catch something for once. It's really beautiful here. This is my first time up on this bridge, but look at that view. There's so much of this river to fish, and if I had more time I would, but gotta go to work. Got to skate, got to fish, love it. Okay. My gear is a mess right now, but oh well. All right, well that was sweet. 2 fish in the boat. I'd say it was a success. It was really fun skating and fishing, and I gotta go home and get ready for work. So, see you next time.